Across the world, cultures have whispered stories of gods, monsters, and forgotten lands for centuries. Stories so mysterious, so fantastical, that they seem impossible. But what if these tales are more than myths? What if they hold hidden truths, fragments of history lost in time? Tonight, we embark on a journey across continents and oceans to unravel the mysteries of global mythology. From submerged lands and skyward staircases to forbidden relics and divine beings, these stories are threads in the great, hidden tapestry of human history. Are you ready to step into the unknown? Chapter 1. A Common Origin. Let us begin with a question. Why do so many myths across the world share similar patterns? Flood myths, for instance, exist in nearly every culture, from Noah's Ark in the Bible to the great deluge in the Sumerian epic of Gilgamesh, and even the Hindu story of Manu, the first man who survived a cosmic flood. Guided by the god Vishnu, these tales come from vastly different civilizations, yet they echo the same catastrophe. Could they be memories of a real, ancient flood, perhaps the melting ice of the last ice age, drowning early human settlements? But the similarities don't end there. Consider the creation myths of the world. The Egyptians spoke of Ra creating the world from watery chaos. The Norse believed in Ginnungagap, a void that birthed gods and giants. And in the Mayan Popol Vuh, the gods formed the first humans from maize. Each story is unique, yet connected, reminders of humanity's quest to understand its origins. Chapter 2. Lost Lands and Civilizations. Now, imagine lands that no longer exist, yet linger in mythology. Atlantis, the fabled advanced civilization, described by Plato, is said to have vanished beneath the waves. Thousands of miles away, the Pacific whispers of Lemuria, and Mu, lost continents thought to connect Asia, Oceania, and the Americas. And it's not just the ocean that hides mysteries. In the jungles of South America, legends speak of Paititi, the lost city of gold, said to be hidden deep within the Andes. In Africa, there's the story of the vanished city of Zimbabwe, believed to hold secrets of an advanced kingdom. But what connects these myths of lost lands? Could they be fragments of a global human memory? Recollections of forgotten civilizations, wiped away by nature's fury or time's erosion? Chapter 3. Stairways to the Divine. Throughout the world, myths speak of sacred places where the heavens meet the earth. These are not just temples or mountains, they are stairways to the divine. In Mesopotamia, the ziggurats were built to honor the gods, each tier ascending closer to the sky. In the Andes, the Inca revered Machu Picchu as the house of the sun, a place where they could commune with divine forces. And in India, Mount Kailash is believed to be the abode of Shiva, untouched and unclimbed because it is holy. Strangely, these myths often describe beings descending from the sky. The Dogon people of Mali tell of Nomo, amphibious beings who came from the Sirius star system. The Hopi of North America speak of Kachinas, spiritual beings that guided them. And across ancient India, the Vedas recount tales of Vimanas, celestial chariots that flew across the heavens. Are these merely symbols of spiritual longing? Or do they hint at encounters with something far greater than ourselves? Chapter 4. Guardians of Mythical Secrets. Every great myth has its guardians, creatures, and relics that defy explanation. In ancient Greece, the Minotaur guarded the labyrinth. In Norse mythology, Jormungandr, the world serpent, encircled Midgard. Across Asia, dragons were not beasts of destruction, but wise protectors of knowledge and treasures. Then there are the relics. The Ark of the Covenant, said to contain divine power. The Spear of Destiny, believed to grant its wielder immense strength. And the Philosopher's Stone, a mythical object sought by alchemists to turn lead into gold and grant immortality. But why are these relics and guardians so universal? Could they be metaphors for hidden knowledge? Or did they once exist, forgotten by time but preserved in myth? Chapter 5. Enduring Mysteries. Even as myths endure, so do their mysteries. The Nazca lines in Peru, massive geoglyphs etched into the desert floor, depict animals and shapes visible only from above. Who created them and why? The Great Pyramid of Giza, perfectly aligned with the stars, remains an enigma in its construction and purpose. Was it merely a tomb or something far greater? And what of the pyramids of Mesoamerica? the towering temples of the Aztecs, and Mayans. They tell stories of gods who demanded blood, of calendars that measured the cosmos. Could these structures be messages waiting to be decoded? Conclusion. The thread that binds us as we reach the end of our journey, one thing becomes clear. Myths are not merely stories. They are mirrors reflecting humanity's deepest fears, hopes, and questions. They connect us to a past we barely understand, and to a future we still strive to unravel. What if these myths are the scattered pieces of a puzzle, a lost story of our origins and destiny? Perhaps the answers lie not in the heavens or the depths of the ocean, but within ourselves, waiting to be uncovered. Thank you for joining us on this voyage through the hidden tapestry of global mythology. Remember, the greatest mysteries are the ones that inspire us to keep searching. Until next time.